Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Bluetooth icon missing Windows 10. Solution 1. Update your Bluetooth driver. Right click Start button to select Device Manager. Click Bluetooth. Update Bluetooth driver. Update step-by-step Bluetooth driver all. Click Network Adapters. Update Bluetooth driver. Solution 2. Adjust Bluetooth settings. Click Search, then type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Type Bluetooth in the search box. Click Enter. Click on Change Bluetooth Settings. Click Apply and OK. Thanks for watching.